Alright guys, make a little video here on, this is on 89 Corvette. Probably do this, I'm guessing on 84, maybe all the way through 96 Corvettes. So I'm not sure on the, on your, I'm guessing they're going to be all pretty much the same. I'm not sure on the like say 90 through 96, but I do know 84 through 89, you should have no problem doing this, making your own cabin filter here, guys. Your cold air intake coming into your cabin. Basically, all they had back in the day was just a screen to help keep leaves and stuff out of there. It's really not gonna keep a lot of dust and pollen and stuff like that. You know, like they got on the newer vehicles, they got what they call a cabin air filter. So I thought I would try to make my own here, which pretty simple to do, guys, to help keep some of the dust, and this way you're not getting dust and pollen, and help keep some of the, the more finer debris out of your cabin air intake, because this right in here and over there is where your air intake is for your interior there, guys. So not too simple. I think Mid Motor Works, or used to be called Mid America, I think it's called Mid Motor Works or something like that, out of Effingham, Illinois. They sell something similar to this that you can put in there to help filter your air that's coming into your interior cabinet or your interior there, guys. So I got something that I just made myself here that's real simple, real cheap. What I got here, guys, just like I think I got this at Walmart on clearance, actually, for 50 cents. And what it is an air conditioning filter, replacement filter for your like your window air conditioners. And you can get these for your window air conditioners, guys, a filter like this, and then you can basically just make your own. What you probably have to do here, guys, is take this here, just this one wiper off right here, the wiper arm. And basically all you got to do, guys, is got this little, there's a little clip, looks like a little clip here, metal clip. Just pull that out, tilt this up, and just kind of wiggle this up and down and back and forth. And then this will come off, guys. And then you got this little hose right here you'll have to disconnect. And then that's basically all you'll have to do. And then it takes a T15 Torx down here, guys, and pull this screen out. And this screen kind of fits in between the glass and this here fiberglass piece right here. So when you put this back, take this out, and then just lay your screen on top of this, and then you can cut this, cut this out if you want to, get that, close to this here, where this screen is here on this for your cabin filter here. And just take that out, and then get your pair of scissors, cut your filter out here like that, guys, and I'll put that in there. And then all I did over here, guys, I just cut me a little slit to go around this arm piece right here. And we'll just take and fit that in there, guys. get your little screwdriver to work that filter up between the screen and the window here. That way it stays in place. And not too difficult, guys. Make your own screen. I got 50 cents in this, so, and just a little bit of work cutting this out, so not too difficult to do, guys. You can actually make your own cabin filter, which this will definitely filter the air coming to the interior there a lot better than just that screen that's in there. Because, like I said, on their newer vehicles, they got these cabin filters in there. Then basically, guys, all you gotta do is put your arm back on there, close that clip up, hook your hose back up, and that does that side, guys. And then all you have to do on this other side, do the same thing. Pretty simple, guys. This one you don't have to pull the arm out. You can actually get this side out without having to take your windshield wiper. That side there, you got to take that windshield wiper off, that windshield wiper arm, to get that piece up out of there, and that way you can cut out your screen. And that's what I did here. 2 T15 Torx screws. Pull the screen out, cut your filter out, and do the same thing on this side, guys. You just put that up in there, and you know, just take your little screwdriver. And now this side here, guys, before I put that back in there, this side here was a little bit more difficult getting that screen up in there. So you just got to kind of feel for it with your hand, with your finger up in there, because you got a little bit of a space in between your glass windshield and your housing, or your whatever you want to call it here, in between the windshield and this fiberglass piece. There's a little gap in there for this screen to fit up in there. This one here was just a little more difficult to get up in there, but you just kind of got to feel for it, work its way up in there, guys. And then you can put your Torx screws back in, and then just put your filter that you cut out. You know, put that back in there, guys. And just work it up underneath the glass. That way it won't come out. I'll grab that screwdriver there. And just work that screen up in there, guys, up underneath the glass. This way to stay in place. And you shouldn't have an issue of it coming out. And fit that down in there like so, I guess. I don't know. Like that there. So there it is, guys. You know, an easy way to make your own filtration system for your cabin. And then basically, once this gets dusty or dirty or whatever, guys, just pull it out and wash it out with a hose. Let it dry and then put it back in there. So you basically made your own filtration system for your cabin. I don't know what they call a cabin filter. I'm sure the newer Corvettes got some kind of a cabin filter that fits inside there. Like my wife's 2015 Chevy Cruze, just inside the glove box, there's a filter that fits in between the fan and the it fits inside where the fan is, the blower fan is, for the air coming in through the cowling area, and then it filters it going into your cabin, you know, your air vents and stuff. And same with this here Corvette here. All your cold air for your interior, your venting is coming through right here too. So, and also guys, when you got that out of there, when you take this side out, this screen out, you'll see like a rubber opening, a rubber hole. It looks like a rubber piece setting in here with a hole that goes down. That is your drain for when water collects up inside here. There's a drain in there, guys. Before you put your screen back in there, take an air hose and put down in that opening, and make sure that that opening is cleaned out real good. There's, you know, that it's not clogged up or something, so you don't have that way you don't get water inside your interior there, guys. If that plugs up, there could be a chance that you would get water inside there somewhere. So just something you want to do when you got that tore apart. Just go ahead and take an air hose and blow that out. That way you know that that hole is opened up real good, and whenever you get into a rainstorm or whatever, guys, that way you know that your cowling area here is draining like it's supposed to be. So anyways, guys, like I said, just a little bit of time, and of course you'll probably have to pay more than 50 cents for, unless you find a discount or something. Actually, if you look for this stuff in the come in the fall time at Walmart or whatever, maybe a Myers or whoever sells this here screen or filter to make your own filter for your to replace your filters on your window air conditioners. I mean, 50 cents and a little bit of time, guys, to make your own. I'm not sure what like I said, Mid Motor Works sells these, and I think it goes from here all the way over through this whole area. It fits in there. But if you look it up on Mid Motor Works, I think they do sell those. But I can't remember how much they are. But anyways, guys, you can basically make your own. Pretty simple to do, not real hard. And like I said, this will help keep some of the dust and pollen from entering your cabin on these older Corvettes. You probably do this on the on the C3s too. I'm guessing those got some kind of a cowling here where the fresh air comes in. Basically, any older car that's got the screen like this, where your cold air goes into your cabin, your fresh air intake, you can pretty much make your own out of one of those window air conditioning filters, or any kind of a screen like this, or a filter is going to help keep dust and pollen and that stuff out of your interior of your car. Like I said, they start doing that on, I can't remember what year they start putting like filtration systems in these cars, in these newer cars. They put these what they call cabin air filter. It's supposed to help, you know, filter the air going into your interior there, guys. So anyways, guys, I thought I'd throw that video out there. I just happen to think, you know, that would be a good way to make your own, and real cheap and easy, and don't take very long to do it there, guys. So that'll wrap this video up, guys, on how to make your own filtration system for your interior there, guys.